7 meal plans for weight loss and muscle gain. Losing weight and building muscle is not completely dependent on exercise. In fact, a huge part of your success will depend on your diet. To lose weight and build muscles, we've created 7 meal plans for weight loss and muscle gain that can help you lose weight fast and gain muscle at the same time. There's 1 meal plan for each day of the week so you can focus on exercising without worrying about counting calories and balancing nutrition. Before diving into the meal plans, there are a few things you need to understand about weight loss and muscle gain nutrition. Here are 3 facts based on scientific research. Understanding them will help you with your weight loss goal in the long run. 1. Diets that are low in carbohydrates are more effective for weight loss than low-fat diets. This has been proven by many studies, including one done by researchers from the University of Connecticut's Department of Kinesiology in 2009. 2. Protein is essential to muscle gain, so make sure you load up on it to support your weightlifting efforts. Protein isn't only the building block of muscle. According to a study published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2009, a high-protein diet helps boost metabolism and therefore aids in weight loss as well. 3. Good fats, such as those found in coconuts and avocados, are essential to losing weight and building muscle. In fact, according to a study published by the International Journal of Obesity and Related Metabolic Disorders, good fats help people boost their metabolism and consume fewer calories daily. These 3 science-backed nutritional information studies serve as the basis for the following 7-day meal plan that will help you in your effort to lose weight and gain muscle. These cover your main meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you feel the urge to snack, stick with healthy options like fruits and nuts. Here is your 7-day plan. Use small portions of fat-free cream cheese and a small amount of butter in your meals. Day 1. Breakfast: spinach omelet fried in coconut oil. Lunch: fried chicken breast on mixed greens with olive oil vinaigrette. Dinner: shrimp and avocado with mixed greens. Day 2. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with mixed vegetables in olive oil. Lunch: bunless burgers with cheese and lettuce. Dinner: quinoa salad with chickpeas and cottage cheese. Day 3. Breakfast: protein pancakes with a side of bacon. Lunch: sautéed ground beef with bell peppers. Dinner: tofu stir-fry with broccoli and mushrooms. Day 4. Breakfast: breakfast sausage with mixed buttered vegetables. Lunch: Swedish meatballs with a side of sweet potato fries. Dinner: chili con carne with almond bread. Day 5. Breakfast: flax bread with smoked salmon and cream cheese. Lunch: grilled chicken wings with blanched spinach. Dinner: baked herb tilapia fillet over couscous. Day 6. Breakfast: chia pudding with vanilla protein powder and slivered almonds. Lunch: pan-fried salmon steak with mixed buttered vegetables. Dinner: skillet chicken fajitas with red bell peppers. Day 7. Breakfast: Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. Lunch: tuna casserole with cheese and mushrooms. Dinner: roast chicken and salad greens. All these meals are based on research-backed nutritional philosophies. They're meant for weight loss and muscle gain, but easy enough to prepare at home. As you become more familiar with the nutritional requirements of each meal, you should be more confident to prepare your dishes for variety. However, if you don't mind repetition, you can always free yourself of the mental load and follow these 7 meal plans for weight loss and muscle gain week after week. Following are references that you could dive into to learn more about the information we discussed in this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.